Good morning, guys. Welcome to the room that I never want to show anyone in this entire world. And this is the messiest room you could ever imagine. Today's goal is to clear this room out, get rid of clothes that I do not use, get rid of clothes that I do not need, and shoes and all that extra stuff. And this is going to be my bedroom. I've been sleeping in the sala forever, but I've decided to turn this into my bedroom. So I'll have my bedroom, filming room in there, and then, I'm sorry, filming room in here, and then this will be my beauty room. So everything will be right around each other. And then I'm gonna turn the upstairs room into a gym, which I'm so happy about. So I have to tackle this mess. Whoops. Oh yeah, I've been obsessed with this song, by the way. Dios de lo imposible. This song has been my #1 song. Well, my battery's blinking. I'm gonna keep you guys posted with how this goes. It's gonna be a humongous task. Pray for me because I'm gonna need all the help and prayers in the world, because this is a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna clear up some things first and then I'll start recording, because it's just a hot mess and I don't even know how I'm gonna start. And my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna charge that. And then I'll show you guys in a little bit, you know, once the progress has been made. Wow. So let me pause this. I've been playing, I've been watching Gossip Girl, but while I've been cleaning the room. You guys, the floor exists. I have been doing this. I have been cleaning this room for like 4 hours straight. This is the only bit of clothes that I ended up keeping. I did a major like reduction from clothes. You guys saw, obviously this was a mess. I put the shoes in the closet, and these are some of my swimsuits, which I need to go over as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what I kept that's folded. I need to buy more hangers because I don't have enough hangers. In here, in these 4 bags, is it 4 bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. This is gonna be donating and things I just didn't want, didn't use, had them for a long time. So all of that is going bye-bye. And so now my next project is to get all of this, to get all of this to the attic upstairs so I can bring my bed here. So this is gonna be my bedroom. And I'm so happy because I wanted the attic to be the bedroom, but it's just way too cold upstairs, and like there's just been problems with the heat and like all that crap. So I'm just gonna turn this into my bedroom. It's gonna be super simple, nothing crazy, just my bed and the gabinetes. I might get a TV for here, I'm not sure, because I have one in the sala already. But let's see how strong am I to take all of these things to the attic and then bring my bed over here. I just found some Girl Scout cookies. I've actually never tried these before. I don't know what they're doing in here. I gotta take all of these things upstairs, trash. I definitely gotta clean the kitchen, and then I have to bring my mattress. Oh my goodness. I'm still alive, you guys, and I just finished moving the mattress, clearing the floor. I just have to take this stuff upstairs to the attic, bring in the other mattress, because I do have 2 mattresses. There's one upstairs. I'm gonna get the bed frame like I mentioned earlier tomorrow from IKEA, just a temporary bed frame so I'm not sleeping on the floor. I'm like trying to visualize what I want to do with the room. This was from my old bed frame, which is gonna go with my new bed frame because I'm gonna buy the same exact one. I love that one so much. Here's the other mattress that I need to get, and here's the extra large rug. It's actually really big, so I ended up having to fold it in half. This is the attic. A lot to be done. It's gonna be a gym. There's gonna be so much going on. It's gonna be a gym slash man cave for when my fiance moves in, when we get married. Welcome back to another vlog. Today you guys are gonna be helping me. Well, today I have a lot to do. I am receiving a lot more furniture today from IKEA, so I have a lot of building to do. Is this far? Okay, so I have a lot of building to do. My fiance is coming over. It is morning. It's like 10 a.m. and I have crazy allergies. I'm like dying over here. But yeah. So my fiance is gonna come over. I'm gonna make some breakfast for us. And I actually wanted to show you guys some of the progress that I've been making. First of all, I have to clear out this area because I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna sit you guys right here. I'm just cleaning up my vanity because I just finished doing my makeup. So I'm just cleaning this up. So yeah, so working from home, like, you can get really lazy. I get lazy sometimes and I just don't get ready. I don't really get dressed. I just kind of stay in my pajamas, and I feel like when that happens, you get lazier. Like, you don't want to do things. I just don't get much done. So what I've been doing lately is that I actually get ready. I get dressed. Like, if I'm gonna be going out somewhere. I mean, today I'm wearing leggings because I'm gonna be building a bunch of furniture. But for the most part, I've been actually like getting dressed. And then that helps me vlog because I'm already dressed. So I might as well just like show you guys what I'm doing and like all that stuff. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. A lot has changed in the house. You know, like, things are all actually falling into place. My vision is slowly coming to life. Look at this big job of gel. Have you guys seen this one? Have you guys seen me use this humongous thing? This is what I use for my edges because these edges be crazy sometimes. But yeah. And I was gonna leave my hair down today, but I guess because of the weather, it just didn't work out. So I ended up doing a bun. I sprayed this in my hair, which I love because it smells amazing. It's the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioner Leave-In Conditioner. Amazing. I love this. I put it in my hair. I was gonna leave it down, but let me see. Yeah, I was gonna leave it down, but it just didn't work out. So I just ended up doing it in a bun. And yeah, so quick tour. I am cleaning this up. I have a bunch of new products that I bought, so I do want to do a haul video. That's why all of this is still here. Just a bunch of like little stuff from Target, Sephora, and Ulta. So I want to show you guys that. I did get a rug as well for the beauty room, so the beauty room looks so much better now. And yes, my friends, I organized my products finally. I finally organized it by brand, and now it's just so much more organized, and I just love it so much. And I feel like I'm in a store every time. Every morning when it's time for me to do my hair, I'm like, what do I want to use today? And now it's like so nicely organized, so it just makes life so much easier. A little overview, here's what it's looking like. I got this rug, but I don't have the thing for the bottom, so it's always moving. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. There we go. How cute is it? I love it. I'm obsessed. Let me turn off these lights because ain't nobody gonna be in here for now. Yeah, I love it. I need to clean my desk because every time I do my makeup, my desk ends up stained and like dirty. It's a struggle. So yeah, so this is the beauty room. This is my room, and I got a TV. Woohoo! I got a TV in the room. Let me know if you have a TV in the room. I know a lot of people have like debates with that, if they have a TV in the bedroom or not. I actually had one for like the last 5 years in the room, and I never ever used it, but now I have a smart TV, so I can go on the internet and I can do a bunch of stuff on the TV while just chilling in my bed. So that's kind of why I wanted a TV. And then I did build this gaveta. I have to build another one. Changing the knobs, they're actually coming in today, so we'll do that together. I need to get a new rug because this is just the extension of the rug that's in that room. I cut that rug up. Here's a mirror, which is really dirty. I need to clean it. So moving on, let me turn off this lights. You guys already know. Oh yeah, and then I got curtains. They're so cute. I love them. I'm like obsessed with them. And then this one, I got these curtains, which are really cute. This is the filming room. Nothing has changed in the filming room. Pretty simple, pretty open. Then here's a sala, which is now my favorite part of the room because I used to have this couch. I don't know if you guys saw it in another vlog, but I had this couch with a huge wedge, and it kind of came out like this, but it closed out the sala because it kind of turned on this one, on the third one. So it closed up the space and it just made it look way smaller, and now it looks so much bigger. I am getting curtains. This is my struggle blinds for right now. This is how I've been having it, and it's so ugly, but it's temporary. I'm gonna get one very, very soon. So I'm going to be making some breakfast for us, and I'm gonna be making avocado toast because that is my favorite. Oh, this one is not ready yet. This one is. Yes, I just drank my apple cider vinegar. Well, I didn't finish it. I hate drinking this, but I have to because it just helps so much with digestion and like bloating and all that stuff. And I'm always bloated because I don't eat healthy, which is not good. I'm trying to change my lifestyle. I'm trying to change my diet. So I'm gonna be making whole wheat toast with some eggs. Ooh, I have lemon. With some eggs, some salt, pepper, and lemon, of course. Where's my lemon? What the heck happened to this? Is it frozen? Who the heck put this in the freezer? Wait a second. Oh, it's because I changed this. I'm dumb. I put this up to the coldest because I felt like it wasn't like it wasn't cooling things enough. And now the lemon is frozen. Oh my god, that's not good. I'm gonna have to use the other. So I'm gonna be making some avocado toast like I mentioned. I don't know why this thing froze. Good thing I have another one because what the heck? I got a backup one. So I'm gonna be making some guac real quick. Some eggs. Oh, look how cute my pan is. In Marshall's, they had colored ones. So I got some colored pans, and I just love cooking with the colored pans. Like, I look for any excuse just to use it because it's just so cute. So, ooh, someone's here. Oh! Hello.
Special delivery.
Welcome. Welcome to my home. In here. Uy. ¿Y qué pasó aquí? Espérate, espérate, because I don't have real shades, guys. You know how I'm struggling? So we about to make it work. All of the furniture is in finally. What I have is my bed frame. I have a cubicle stand, which is gonna go in the filming room. I have 3 Billy bookshelves because my shoes are gonna go on there. And now that I remember, I didn't buy extra shelving. Oh God. Well, we'll make it work. I have 3 Billy bookshelves, and then I have a coffee table for the sala. So those are the things that I bought, and I'm excited to do it, but it's just a lot. Like, I'm gonna be here for a very long time. My fiance just left because he had to go to work. We're just spending the morning together. And I never showed you guys, but this is a little closet room here in the sala that I got going on here. I finally emptied it out. So in here is where it's gonna be like my walk-in shoe closet because yeah, that's just the situation for now, temporarily. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like that. Let's see how it goes, but this is gonna be the walk-in shoe closet. I do want to have like a little rack so when my guest comes they can leave like their jackets or like whatever. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna build first, the Billy bookshelf, because those are the easiest. Those are these 3 right here. They're the easiest to do, so I think I'm gonna do that. And I am currently watching Crazy Ex-Girlfriend, which I'm not really into it. I'm like trying to understand what's going on. I didn't even know it was a musical, but it is a musical. So I don't know. Like, do you guys have any good recommendations for Netflix? Any good shows to watch? Because I'm looking for a good show right now. I still haven't finished Gossip Girl. Oh my god, I haven't finished Gossip Girl. Let me do that right now. All right, so I'm gonna watch some Gossip Girl while I finish filming. While I finish building today. And then I'll show you guys the process. And look. Yes. Gossip Girl. All right, I'm gonna start building. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.